There used to be a time when I knew as much about landing pages as you know about wedding traditions of a Dinka tribe in Africa. Digital marketing is an experimental science, and to master it, you need to practice. But practice can be costly, because you need traffic, and traffic costs money. I was lucky enough to practice on my company's dime, and I've spent quite a bit of money on failed experiments, so you don't have to. I've crammed years of experience in this course, and I tried to make it as fast-paced as possible, because let's be honest, you don't have time to waste, and you would rather go out there and start building those landing pages as soon as possible. Stick with me, and by the end of this course, you will have your own landing page and will know more about them than most marketing managers do. Let me give you a quick overview of what's going to happen in this course. First, you will learn everything you need to know about landing pages, both marketing and design concepts behind it. Also, best practices in the industry and lots of examples of other companies, how they made it and how they screwed up. Once we lay down a good theoretical foundation, we'll take everything we've learned and put it into practice. Section 4 is a step-by-step guide where you'll see me build a real landing page for my company. I'll go through the entire process in a way so you can follow my steps while working on your landing page yourself. Towards the end, I will ask you to submit your landing page to me, which I will review in one of the bonus lectures. This is where I take landing pages made by my students and review them once a week. I give both marketing and design advices and try to put you on the right path. In section 6, I will teach you how to A/B test your landing page just like the pros do. This powerful skill will turn your landing page into a conversion machine. The software that we will use is called Instapage. It's a drag and drop, super simple landing page builder. I chose Instapage because they're one of the best on the market, and unlike other options, they have a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. And I'm sure that's important for you. You don't need to sign up for it now, I'll tell you when the time comes. If you want to use something else, that's fine too. Most of these landing page builders are quite similar to each other. Skills that you learn with Instapage can be applied with other page builders. It's like if I was teaching you how to drive. Right now we are using one particular car, but once you learn how to drive, you'll be able to drive other cars too. And one last thing, use discussion forums to ask me lots of questions. Let's make this course as fruitful as possible, so you can start building those landing pages like a boss. Now let's hit the ground running and see what's all the hype about landing pages. Stick around.